Hello, my cookies. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Cajun Crate. The Cajun Crate is a Louisiana based company with the mission of delivering a taste of Louisiana to bring exposure to Louisiana brands, both big and small. My cookies outside of Louisiana are always asking where to purchase products, so now I can share CajunCrate.com with you. From seasoning to desserts, coffee, everything, this is the go-to site for your favorite Louisiana products. But today, our focus is on the Cajun Crate's monthly subscription box. Each month, they will feature 7+ full-size items from all around Louisiana, complete with a guide to each product and recipes. But enough chit-chat, let's tear into this baby and see what we're working with, okay? Upon opening the box, the first thing you see is the product guide, and it lists each item featured in the box and gives you a little bit of information about them. First up was the Cajun Spoon Chicken and Dumplings. Now, I did a review on this brand before. I absolutely love it. They are a great company, so I was excited to see this guy in the box. Oh, this one is named after me. No, but it's the Queen Bee seasoning. It's an all-purpose seasoning, and it has 0 MSGs, which is wonderful, and contains less sodium than most brands. And how cute is this packaging? I'm excited to try this out. Next up is the Slap Your Mama Cajun pepper sauce. I've tried this stuff before, and it is really good. Okay, now y'all, these cookies, oh we Jesus, I'm trying so hard to be impartial, but listen, Linda, these butter pecan praline cookies, whoo, they are so buttery and rich, and oh my god, the little real candy pieces in there, I can't take it. Bay and I were fighting over these babies. Next is Dat Dip dipping sauce. It says that it can be used on everything, and it's called Cajun Boy, so it has a little kick. This barbecue shrimp sauce mix I've used many times by the Louisiana brand. It's yummy. Cajun Crate also has included some coffee by Parish Coffee Works, and this is the French vanilla flavor. Next up is Dr. Mo's hamburger seasoning. Now this can be used on seafood, meat, vegetables, etc. So it's more of a flavor enhancer. And last but not least, we have the Tabasco garlic grilling and marinating sauce. So I can't wait to use this stuff. You know I love marinating. And that's it, guys. Special thanks to the Cajun Crate for sending me over this box to unbox and share with you guys. Be sure to check out that link in the description box to purchase your subscription box or to buy individual products. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Until next time, be blessed.